Hey guys, Omarete Vilato here, the Basement Production. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to replace an old computer with a new computer. Also, it's going to involve some cable management. You will see what I'm talking about. I'm going to try to give you a detailed explanation or all step by step on how to do that, especially if you are in the IT field. So I'm going to proceed to show you how I do it, and you could take it from there. Once again, Omarete Vilato, the Basement Production. Okay guys, that's the computer that I'm replacing. This computer is a Dell Optiplex 9010. That's the model of it. As you can see, that's what I call over here cable management. It's a mess. I would suggest to every single desktop support technician, when you have a chance to deploy a computer or any type of device, a TV, a computer, a radio, whatever you are deploying, make sure you do cable management. That says a lot about your job, about the way you work. Even though we don't have the tools, or everything that you need to manage the cable properly, I'm going to show you a way how to do it. It's like I said, it says a lot about your work. It doesn't look professional, so the way I'm gonna do it, you will see the end result. Once again, stay tuned for more. Omarete Vilato, the Basement Production. You need a key to open, to remove the lock. I don't know if you could see it from here, okay, right here. There we go. That's the Dell Optiplex. I think the model is 9010. We're gonna salvage them. We're gonna recycle them. Hopefully, I wish this stuff would go to better hands, so they could use it, people who indeed need them. But anyway, that's not the topic. Let's continue. Like I said, this is the newest machine that we're going to be replacing it with. Let me see if I got it right. Yep. This is an Optiplex 7090. So I'm going to replace it, and hopefully I could show you guys, like I said, cable management, replacing or deploying a machine, and all that good stuff. Continue watching. These are the straps that we are using to tie up the machine to this plate right here. I'm gonna give you an advice to every one of you guys out there, especially the computer technicians. Like I said earlier, if you're gonna use sit tight, I think that's how you pronounce it. Try not to use this ones, the plastic one. It's very cumbersome. You have to cut it. You have to be careful. Use a scissors, use a knife. I mean, I don't like this. I don't like to use these ones. Okay, let me see if I can show it to you guys better. I don't like to use this. I don't think it's worth the time. Use Velcro. See, tight it. There you have it. That's it. Go on. That's simple as that. Much better, easier. You don't have to be cutting anything. Use Velcro. When you're doing this type of work, this type of task, you come across a lot of things. One of the things is, this is an Ethernet cable, okay? You see, That's the RJ45. It looks like a phone jack, but it's not. It's an RJ45 for Ethernet. This is the cable. I know that this post where the machine is set for the professors, they have to move it around when they teaching their classes or they giving a presentation. This stuff need to be moved around. But this cable is a waste of cable. It's a waste of resources. Too long, too thick, and it's totally a mess. Sometimes when the professors or whoever giving the presentation moving the post around, it get tangled in the wheels. This stuff got wheels on the bottom, and I don't know why they keep using this. I don't know. It just probably somebody put it there and just leave it alone. It's just a waste of resources, it's a waste of space. I could put it like that. Even though it's not a space, but it's a waste of space. It's a waste of time. So try to use a shorter one, because they really don't need to move 20, 30 feet. Only a few feet. That's all you need. Okay, let's continue. You could see that machine is secure. I don't know if you could notice so far. You see how neat it looks? No cable hanging around, none of that craziness. It look clean. It look a job well done. You still got more to go, more stuff to finish here. But you see when I'm done, what I'm talking about. Cable management. That's what every single technician should have in their on their arsenal. Cable management, once you finish completing your work deploying a computer, the most important part of the whole job for me. And I want to share with other computer technicians out there so your job could look professional. Okay? Continue watching.